Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Kadhi Pakoda. Kadhi Pakoda is a very popular Indian dish and it is prepared in many different ways depending upon tastes of various regions. We are making it in Punjabi style. This spicy and tangy curry is usually served accompanied with rice. First of all, let's prepare pakoras for it. Take 2 tablespoons besan, that is gram flour, in a bowl. Add 1 boiled peeled and chopped medium-sized potato and half of a medium-sized chopped onion into it. Adding onion is absolutely optional and you may omit it if like. Also add 1 chopped fresh green chili and 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander into bowl. Season with 1/4 teaspoon or to taste of red chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon or to taste of salt. Also add a pinch of baking soda, then start mixing all while adding very little water into it. Add very little amount of water just required to make thick batter. Heat enough cooking oil in wok or pan for deep frying pakoras over medium heat. Drop a small portion of batter into heated oil to check whether the oil is hot enough or not. It should come to surface floating instantly. It means oil is ready for frying. Stir the batter once again, then wet your fingers with water and start dropping small portions or dumplings into hot oil. Fry in small batches and do not overcrowd the wok. Fry dumplings while turning sides often until golden and crispy. Drain fried dumplings in a bowl and keep aside for a while. Now churn or whisk 1 or 1½ cups curd or plain yogurt in a large bowl. Curd should preferably be a bit sour because this curry tastes very good when it is tangy and spicy. Add 2 tablespoons gram flour into churned curd and whisk again to dissolve gram flour well into curd until smooth and with no lumps in it. Keep it aside too for a while. Now heat 2 tablespoons ghee or cooking oil in a pan or wok over medium heat. Add in a pinch of hing, that is asafoetida, 1 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, 6 to 8 fresh curry leaves and a couple of dried whole red chilies. Adding whole red chilies is optional. Also add 1 teaspoon haldi, that is ground turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ground coriander seeds and 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Stir and saute for half a minute, then pour 1 or 1½ cups water into pan. Amount of water depends on the desired consistency of curry. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and add gram flour and yogurt mixture into pan. Rinse bowl with little water and pour it also into pan. Increase heat to medium again and bring the mixture to a boil while stirring constantly with a wooden or steel spoon. Stirring constantly is a must while bringing it to boil. Reduce heat to low when curry starts to boil. Season with 1 teaspoon or to taste of salt. Always add salt after curry has boiled to prevent curry to curdle. Stir to mix and simmer at low heat for half an hour. Keep on stirring often during simmering. Stirring continuously is not required after curry has boiled once. Keep an eye while simmering curry and add more water if it thickens much. Simmer until curry is well cooked. There will be a very thin reddish oil layer on top of curry. An aroma of cooked gram flour will fill your kitchen by this time. Now add fried pakoras, that is gram flour and veggies fried dumplings, into simmering curry. Stir to coat all dumplings evenly with curry and continue to simmer for another 5 minutes, then turn off the heat and transfer curry pakoras into a large serving bowl. Now let's prepare temper for curry. Heat 2 or 3 teaspoon ghee or cooking oil in a small temper pan over medium heat. Add ½ teaspoon rye, that is mustard seeds, into it, and when seeds start to splutter add 1 or 2 dried whole red chilies and 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder into it. Quickly pour temper over curry in serving bowl and stir to mix. Delicious Kadhi Pakoda is ready. Serve it accompanied with steamed or fried rice and enjoy. We hope you liked the recipe. Please write your views in comments column below. Your feedback is really valuable for us. Thanks.